Understanding dairy substitutions in recipes.
Hello, culinary explorers. Today, we're going to answer an interesting question. Can I substitute heavy whipping cream with half and half in a recipe? This is an important topic, especially when you run out of a specific ingredient or if you're aiming to reduce the fat content in your cooking.
What's the difference between heavy whipping cream and half and half?
To start, it's important to know what these two ingredients are and how they differ. Heavy whipping cream is a high-fat dairy product that contains about 36 to 40% milk fat. It's commonly used in a variety of recipes including sauces, desserts, and especially for whipping into whipped cream due to its high fat content. On the other hand, half and half is a blend of equal parts whole milk and light cream. It has about 10 to 18% milk fat, which is less than half the fat content of heavy cream. It's often used in coffee, over cereal, or in lighter sauces and soups.
Can you substitute half and half for heavy whipping cream?
Now to answer the big question. Yes, you can substitute half and half for heavy whipping cream in many recipes, but there are some considerations. Firstly, because half and half has a lower fat content, it may not provide the same rich, creamy texture and flavor that heavy cream does. Secondly, if the recipe requires whipping the cream, half and half will not work as well because it doesn't have enough fat to whip into firm peaks. Lastly, when heated, half and half is more prone to curdling compared to heavy cream. So, if you're making a recipe that involves boiling or high heat, it's better to stick with heavy cream or adjust the cooking method.
How to substitute half and half for heavy cream.
If you decide to proceed with the substitution, here's how. 1. For each cup of heavy cream in a recipe, you can use 1 cup of half and half. The substitution is 1-to-1. 2. If the recipe requires the cream to be whipped, you may add a tablespoon of melted unsalted butter to increase the fat content. 3. If the recipe involves heat, make sure to add the half and half slowly and avoid boiling to reduce the risk of curdling. So, in conclusion, while you can substitute half and half for heavy whipping cream in many cases, the differences in fat content and behavior under heat mean you might need to tweak the method a bit or accept some changes in the final result. Remember, cooking is an art and these guidelines are here to help you innovate and adapt in your kitchen. Happy cooking!